Or if you think about picking them up, pick them up. Pick up these shoes. These hot. These are nice. Okay, maybe not that nice. What's good, fam? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We bringing you another banger. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today I will be talking about the Gary V K-Swish collaboration. For everyone that does not know who Gary V is, well, his full name is Gary Vaynerchuk. He's an entrepreneur. He's the first entrepreneur with a custom sneaker.
Your actions match your ambition. Do you understand the clouds, the mission, where you're going, the reasons why, and do you understand the dirt that creates the diamonds that we all strive for?
This is how legends
This is his third pair that he dropped. He has a green one, a black one, a white one, and the one we're reviewing today is a limited edition called Dark Clouds and Dirt. Now, I'm excited to review this because even the box itself is a nice design. Now let's get into it. All right, so, oops, my bad. So as you can see, stripes. This is his signature right here. You know, the box comes in white. Comes in white, and as you can see right there, Gary V times K-Swish. Now, the cool thing about this box, there's actually clouds and dirt images in here. So as you can see right here, inside the roof of the top box, you can see that it's Gary V with clouds. And I think that's nice. I think that's nice. And you know, you got some fancy paper. Now I'm gonna take the shoes out. Before I show y'all the shoes, I gotta show y'all the rest of the box, because the box is nice. So you know, it comes in this wrapping paper, nothing fancy, you know, but wait till we get to the bottom of the box. This man literally put dirt in the bottom. He literally put dirt in the bottom of the box. I like that. Dirt represents the hard work, as you can see. And the clouds represents your dreams, your goals, your aspirations. I haven't even got to the shoe, but the shoe box is already fire. It's nice, I like it. Let me give y'all another look. That's the dirt. That's the clouds. Now onto the shoe. These are the Gary V Dark Clouds and Dirt. Hold on. So the sneakers is presented to you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stripes. 3 blue, 3 brown with a knit upper. And this is mad comfortable. I haven't put these on because this is not my size. This is a size 7, sadly. Yeah. But anyways, let's continue with the video. It has a knit upper. I'll give y'all a close up. Ooh, come on, focus. There you go. Knit upper. Which is really, this is not a very heavy shoe. It's pretty light. Oh, another reason these shoes are hard. Another reason why is the bottom soles. I know you guys can't even read this right now, but I'm gonna read it to y'all. So on the right shoe, it says the work, the grind, the hustle. And this is on the dirt pair of sneakers. Now for the clouds, see, it says the mission, the motive, the macro. Stop playing with me, man. I'm just messing with y'all, but woo, these shoes are hard, man. I really like them, you feel me? Like, they're not the best, like, drip shoes, but they low-key nice, man. I like the design behind it. I like the ideas. I like everything that was put into it. Like, I just love it, you feel me? I feel like it's a great concept. But these are not very well designed sneakers. I picked these up for $120. I'm not gonna keep them because they're not my size. So I'm probably gonna sell them. Hopefully I can at least break even with them or make a little bit of profit off of these, but I wish I copped in my size. I really wish I did. Cause these, like I said, these some nice kicks. So if you're interested in these, you can find these on eBay. It's way below retail for like about $80 or even cheaper than that. You never know. So if you're interested in these, go down and pick them up, you feel me? Or if you think about picking them up, pick them up! Pick up these shoes, these hot, these are nice. Okay, maybe not that nice. So leave a comment in the comment section what you think of these shoes. Are these our cop or drop? Drip or skip? Yo, thank you so much for checking out my video. If you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Alright guys, have a blessed year. Well, hold on. Before you guys go, let me show you guys the shoe again. The Gary V times K-Swiss collaboration. Oh, let me see if I can spin it. Ah, no. Ah, come on. Ah! Let's see if I can balance too. Oh, I'm too talented. I'm too talented.